My name is Kim, and I am a red seal cabinet maker. My role as a lead cabinet maker in the shop is to oversee the production end of the cabinet shop. So I start right from getting drawings ready to going through and breaking out a material, machining, assembly, right into finishing, and then finally install. I'm a part of every step right from beginning to end. The thing I like most about my job is the fact that it's different every single day. You know, solve a whole bunch of problems, and other days I get to go on site and see a final kitchen installed. Some of the projects I'm most proud of are probably the ones where I've taken it beginning to end. I've had that initial conversation with the client, I've taken a look at the pictures that they want their kitchen to look like and their inspirations, and then taken that job right to the very end, installed it in their house, and have seen just how happy that client is. The companies that are in the industry and what they're doing, and even individuals that are trying to kind of make their mark and are experimenting with new techniques and stuff within the industry. So I would just really suggest that you get to know a little bit about the industry and what we do.